gosh, I got the biggest smile on my face. Look at the size of that store. You guys familiar with IKEA? No? Well, we're about to share it with you. You're going to see why people come up in here and lose their absolute minds. Me being one of them.
Yo, so it's an eventful day today, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna start it out shopping at IKEA, one of our favorite spots, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go up in this maze. I get lost in this store all the time, and it's bugged because they actually give you a pathway, arrows and all that other good stuff, but I think it's designed so once you get up in this store, it's hard for you to get out without spending some money. Trying to get up in IKEA, but for some reason, Pooh gotta like arm the car like 5 times and check it. I think
that's not true. It was 2.
I think it's OCD or something like that.
No, it's better to be safe than sorry. You know when you do things too fast, you didn't really like pay attention to the fact that you did it.
Yeah.
That's why I did it. It was just twice. It wasn't OCD. I think OCD is more like 10, 15, 20 times. I only did it twice. I think I did it twice. It could have just been once, but I don't remember arming it the first time. So better to be safe than sorry. What you won't do is jump on me because I'm trying to be safe for us and the family.
We got a lot to look for the house. We definitely need a king size bed for the king.
King and queen.
That's right. And definitely going to do the office area and going to do just the whole house. So we're gonna see what IKEA got. You know IKEA got some bomb stuff. So
oh my gosh.
We're gonna get up in it.
That's when I thought it couldn't get any better.
Right? Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. I'm loving that. Look, she already up in it. Look. She up in it, chilling. Already got it going on. Look. That's what's up. So we don't know if this is gonna be the piece that we got. Nah. Look, they got popcorn on the seats already.
That's eggs.
That's eggs. Somebody had breakfast. So here's that map I was talking about. They got a map for IKEA, but you still get all confused and lost up in it, but still love IKEA, yo. So not sure what happened. Sent Pooh to get a carriage so we can shop, and it's been about 20 minutes so far and can't find her. She probably shopping without me. So this is how you know you're gonna be up in IKEA for at least an hour. At least an hour. Look. She ain't got a bag and a cart.
It's only right. It's only fair. It's the right thing to do.
Right, it's all good. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Let's go get our shop on. See what we got. You know?
They had an elevator. Why it took me so long is because they have 3 different elevators. One of them does not go downstairs. So you have to go around the corner, which you know is a mile away, just to get downstairs. And then once you get downstairs, you have to go around another section just to come back upstairs.
So you remember that map I showed you? Now you know why.
There's a reason for it.
Right? I love big clocks like that. Isn't that one that like Flavor Flav would hang around his neck?
I wonder if I could take this off and just put it around my neck.
Right, like Flavor Flav?
Boy! For real.
Boy! Tell me what you think, Pooh. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
So
I'm
what?
short, so my legs are gonna dangle, but I'm okay with that. It feels good. It's enough for it not to be too much cushion, and I know that might sound weird, but you know sometimes you can get a sofa that it kind of swallows you in,
Yeah.
and it's like too much cushion. This is just enough cushion so that you're comfortable and that you feel like, you know,
Yeah.
you can just sit and relax.
So
Of
where
course,
where
for
would
those
this
of
where
us-
would this be? What room?
This is definite. This could be living room.
Really?
Yeah, you want to put this in the living room?
Nah, I want something bigger.
So like, where would you put this? Because I would definitely.
Like I would put this in one of the off rooms or something like that. You know?
This is nice.
Yeah. Like I love this kitchen
cabinet
setup.
lighting. It's got the whisper quiet doors because you know sometimes you get heavy-handed. Watch.
That's nice.
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice right there.
You know what? Let me break it down to you. That basically means I could come out here when everybody else is sleeping,
Right.
and steal some snacks and nobody knows. Cause you know once you like pop the bag or something,
Yeah.
all of a sudden the babies wake up.
Right,
People
right.
wake up.
Right.
You
So
know, and then you gotta share.
So you get you some quiet doors like that, and you're good. Look at this! Look at this! Look at this oven. I like that hook
This
up
is
there.
my dream
Right.
stove. This is pretty phenomenal. We're gonna be in here for hours. I'm just letting you know. Oh wow! And all the controls are right here.
That's nice. Open it a
That's
little more.
pretty phenomenal.
Oh yeah.
How do you like that rack? Oh wow!
I like that.
This is so nice.
And it's hidden away as a cabinet, which I like.
So it doesn't stand out like.
Right.
Oh yeah, that's definitely the dish.
Now this is this refrigerator. I love this type of refrigerator.
It's just not big enough. Like we need ours like.
Yeah, cause
We eat.
Right.
Don't let the size fool you. She throws down.
right. Okay.
This is the style, yes.
But I love the style, and so that's a contender.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Water filtration. It says water filter. Water filter. So where is? Oh, here it is. You get water from here. Get out.
Oh,
You know,
nice.
Normally you like put it in
Yeah.
the door.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yes.
It's like a space saver.
You know what, IKEA? Can't nobody do better than y'all.
I like that kitchen a lot, but I gotta say that it didn't like wow me. So we're gonna look at others.
I like the kitchen concept.
Yeah.
So,
That's
but it's okay. They've got a whole warehouse.
right. Let's go look for more. So I realized people come to IKEA and they just spend hours and just talk a bunch of junk all day long. I would drive up here for such. You know what? I would get this. I would do. That's how much IKEA is loved. People come up here and dream. You know what I'm saying? I love that. You know.
IKEA is the store that dreams are made of.
There's a few people over there and they dreaming and it's like they just happy. IKEA does that, right, Pooh?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's so nice in here.
Yeah. Love it.
The music, y'all hear the music? Nice. Makes you want to shop.
Right?
I also point out that the color of the store is my two favorite colors, blue and yellow. Nice.
Gotta find me a office now. That's definitely
Yes,
what.
we are headed in that
Yeah,
direction.
we'll do the office because I gotta get a hot office for editing, for all my production needs.
That's right.
And everything. And
For our film.
yep. So not the man cave, the office.
That's right.
Gotta get the office
Although he is allowed to have a man cave, it's only fair.
so I can do or watch all my kung fu movies and just do my thing. But right now it's about the production office, so that's what we're looking for.
Yes.
One of the things that I really want to do in the office, because we meet so many great people in the industry, take pictures, and they give us things. I want to do something like a showcase and put different things in it, to build up memories. You know what I'm saying? So what you think, Pooh?
I agree with you, baby.
Yeah.
I think those are good. I like that selection right here.
Yeah.
That you pointed out.
Although I don't like this. There's something for me. It's something funny about this that I don't care
It's
for.
different. Okay, it's different. It might grow on you.
Nah,
Or
nah,
not.
nah. I definitely want, nah.
One cup of Nespresso for you. Thank you. This is nice. Look at that.
That's
So check
different.
this out. So on ours,
Hold on, Pooh.
We're gonna remove this. On our menu is gonna be chai tea,
Right?
hot chocolate for the babies, Nutri-drinks, i.e. smoothies, water, of course, curry chicken, and stir fry.
That's right. I mean, to have something like this in the house would be great. You know?
Yeah.
A coffee shop would be very cool.
Yes. Even though I don't drink coffee.
Right. I mean, you know that's what they call it.
Yeah.
I do. There you go. I like that. I can do that. Okay.
The color. I'm in love with the color.
Yeah.
This is my second favorite color.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is nice. I like a high desk, but it's too high for my 5'4" frame. But the good thing about these are height adjustable. So, and I love this seat. It's cushioned. It doesn't have a back on it, but that's a good thing because then it forces me and helps me to sit, you know, with the correct posture. And then it also spins.
I was just saying, I love the chair.
Looks very ergonomic.
Yeah.
As they say. Test it out. Did you test it out?
I did not.
You gotta test it out.
I will.
Oh yeah, that's good for your posture.
Yeah.
And it's got the padding for your head. This
Right.
will probably be better for you because you're taller. But yeah. Of course, just adjust the height.
So, you know what I like about it as I'm editing, you know, my Mac and stuff, and then everything. I have my two Macs here, two screens and stuff, and then I would want a playback monitor up there.
Right.
And what I love about it is enough space that I can do, put whatever I need to put on here. But then as I'm doing my playbacks, I can actually lean back and just chill and just watch.
How's the chair feel?
The chair, honestly, I love the chair.
Yeah.
Right now, looking for a chair, this is number one right now. I love the high back. I love the way it feels on my lower back and everything.
I said New York. What's up?
I like this look. Oh man, I like everything about this.
I'm stuck on this right here.
Right? See, that'd be awesome, because, you know, that's home.
So if any of you ever wonder what we mean by the term dirty water dogs, we're about to show you.
Right there.
Check it out.
Dirty water dog, yo.
We talked about it in one of our episodes.
Right.
Can't remember the name of it.
Oh no.
But anyway, we talked about it when we were talking about what we call dirty water dogs. So we're right here in the streets of New York.
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah. I like this.
Everyone.
Yeah, I like that.
Oh, look at that utility closet.
Yeah.
And it slides out. I'm in heaven right now. Yes, with cleaning products, I'm in heaven. It's the simple things of life.
I like this.
This is like a whole apartment,
Yeah.
the way they have it set up.
Right.
There's the bedroom, like the studios, which you know New York is popular for.
Right.
So you have your living room,
Hang on one second.
your TV, and
Yeah.
then you have your bedroom,
It's nice.
space saving, and you even have a bathroom over here.
Can I use it? Because I got to go.
It's not hooked up plumbing. Check
Oh
it
yeah.
out.
Oh yeah, they give you.
Come in and check this out.
Oh yeah.
Shower head is nice. Toilet area. Everything is perfect. There's a little closet over there, and it's got space for a double vanity. Extra mirror. Oh yeah. I'm pretty doggone impressed. His and her cabinet space. Yes. Yes. Many options. I don't know which one I like better. There's one over there that's all gray.
Let's get you in
This
there.
one right here. And then there's one over there. Look at that one.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
So there's She's speaking of that one.
I like the white kitchen, so let's start over here.
Okay, let's see you in there.
It told me to look inside, so I have to obey. Nice. Nice. Look at all this counter space. Don't care for this. The whole flat panel, I don't care for that.
Okay.
Easier for cleaning and stuff like that. This is really nice. I like that. Whoa. Nice. I don't want it low like that. I want like double ovens. But it's nice. It's really nice. This is so good.
Can you feel it being in a kitchen like that?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Most definitely. I think there's a pantry back here. Oh yeah, there's a butler's pantry back here. Check this out.
What's this?
This is a butler's pantry. Check this out. They've got a whole rack here with wine and alcohol, which will probably be there longer than most because we're not drinkers. We're not like really drinkers. And then of course, storage. Nice. I like this. I like the lights overhead. No, it doesn't want to close. There we go. Really nice. Nice. Candle holder, it says. Ah. So if you have a skinny candle, you leave that in there, and if you have a bigger candle, just put it there.
Okay.
Different. Nice. This is a king bed, but I think it might be too. I don't know. I'm a bit confused with king beds. King beds are supposed to be. I know they're much bigger, but sometimes they come off like they're shorter. So how do you, because I mean that's fine with me, but you're much taller. So how do we make sure that that's fitting? So let's see if it works lengthwise.
So one of the things that's real important for us is our bedroom having that sanctuary feel.
That's right.
Where, if we don't want to be in one of the other rooms or whatever, we can come up, I can come up and chill in the bed and watch my New York Giants or whatever. But you're right, it's the king bed that's real important. Some are shorter.
Yeah.
I think the California Kings,
Give you more length? Oh, okay.
But let me check this one out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, hold up. I mean.
But what about when you want to stretch out?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You see, like my feet are already at the edge of the bed.
Just about.
And here's my thing. I sleep on my stomach. So when I sleep on my stomach, I roll over and kind of move down a bit.
Yeah, so you're going to be hanging off.
So my big dogs are going to be off the bed. So even though this is a king, this don't work for me.
So you need a California king.
I think that's like what's considered a bigger king size is a California king.
To give you more length?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
So, it feels, honestly, this one feels tight. This one feels like if you got in it, it would.
Space-wise, like width, it's fine. It's the length I was concerned with.
Yeah.
Let's try it out.
Okay.
This is good. Width-wise, it's really good.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just the length, like I said, I was concerned about because, I'm short, so length is not an issue for me.
Yeah, it does. It feels, actually, before you got in it, I couldn't judge if you're in it, how much space would be taken up. Mm-hmm. But yeah, there's a lot of that room in the middle. Mm-hmm. So, okay, so it works.
I just want to add a disclaimer. I was taught better than this, that you do not get in bed with shoes on your feet. Ever, ever, ever. I know some people are just like, that's what the top blanket is for. That's what the comforter is for. No, it is not. You do not take outside shoes and put it on your bed, okay? I'm only doing this is because this is the display model and they encourage you to do that. But shoes of any kind should never be on bed. Unless, of course, you just bought the shoes. They are fresh out of the box and I haven't touched any pavement. It's too dark for me though.
Yeah.
Definitely co-sign this mirror. And it has a light attached to it. Definitely co-sign that. I'm not vain, but you want to check yourself before you riggedy wreck yourself. Not just kidding. You want to check yourself before you leave the house and make sure you're all put together and stuff. And you need a full-length mirror to do that. So.
It's a nice walk-in.
Yeah, I like this. I don't want it dark like this.
Right.
Yes, look at this, baby. And I'm drooling and I don't even do a lot of jewelry like that. Hey, look, they got another one for belts, ties, and whatever else.
Nice.
That's really nice. I love the design of this closet. I wouldn't want it black. I wanted a different color, maybe brown or something. Not white necessarily, but maybe like a brown. And this is where I'll be. Every time I come in this closet, sitting right here.
That's right.
I'm just not the typical female, and I am extremely happy about that. I have my girly moments, but I just don't go bananas over the things that typical females do. So I'm just low key, I'm simple with it, But yeah, that will fill all my shoes, every last pair of shoes that I own, and I probably still have some space.
IKEA was a success.
As always, we got out of that joint spending less than $24.
Right.
Where are they doing that at?
Right.
I'll tell you where. IKEA.
Yeah. So we got all our ideas for our production office.
And I made sure to grab a catalog.
That's right. And the house, for the bedroom and master suite. And
Family room.
So
every room in the house.
Thank you, IKEA. Love you. IKEA. So, it's an eventful day today. We're gonna start that again.
So I got my sneakers on. When you come up in this sneakers.
Show.
You come up in the Go ahead. 3, 2,